What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the tube. So today I'm going to teach you how to put on fake eyelashes. So I just went to Rite Aid and I picked up these Ardell 3D Faux Mink. $5 with your Rite Aid wellness card. Not too bad. So the tools you're going to need today are going to be a little pair of scissors. You're going to need some tweezers, and you can use whatever ones. I have these like little pointy ones. Whatever pair. And then that's all you need to begin. So to start, obviously open up your box of eyelashes. Once you get to the part of your eyelashes, it's gonna look like that. So I am just going to, I do this kind of super ghetto. All right, so I kind of pop the package out and then I pull down with one of my fingers and I pop them up. Okay, so after you've removed your eyelashes, just loosen them up, we are going to size them to our eyes now. So I'm gonna grab the left eyelash, and I usually know where to cut off. I usually do like 2 chunks, so 2 little knots at the end. That's my normal length, but for this video, I will do it with you. So what you'll need also, in addition to all the tools and everything, you're gonna just need like a little mirror. That way you're actually gonna put it below you and look down, and I'll show you that in a minute. But to size these, I'm just gonna put this up to my eye. You can do this with tweezers, or you can do this with your fingers, whatever you'd like to do. Put your mirror below you and look down. So I know, okay, right about there. Look, oh hi, like just too long. So I know to take off about 2. So I'm gonna just cut that real quick. So here's your eyelash. I'm gonna take off, you see how they're kind of in, what does that look like? Maybe in pairs of 4? Just 2 of these bunches I'm gonna take off. And when you remove eyelashes, do you see how one side is short? That's for your inner eye. You always wanna remove from the outside, not from the inside. So we're gonna remove from this side. So I'll cut 2 off. Perfect. So the 2 that I cut off looks like Jesus. So with the 2 cut off, it's gonna look like this. So they're shorter. They can be fit for my eye. The next step that I learned, you're going to need to, I wanna see how you guys can see what I'm doing. Put your fingers on both sides and rotate it like that. Kind of, you're gonna bend the strand. That's the purpose of this, to make it circular on your eye. The next step is to apply your eyelash glue. I'm gonna use the Duo eyelash glue, and this is the one with the brush, not the one out of the squeezable tube. So I'm gonna just coat the eyelash. Let me see if I can turn this around. And I'm just gonna run it over the back of it. Now the trick is to not put too much glue on. You do not want too much glue, but you want to make sure you get the ends. Cool. The next step we're going to go back into doing is that kind of circular motion with it. Then you're going to want to just fan it out, or you can blow on it if you'd like to. You want to wait till it's tacky to put on your eye. Do not put it on direct to your eye after you just put the glue on. All right, back to our face. Here I am. Okay, so now we're gonna take our mirror. I'm gonna zoom out real quick. Welcome to the bathroom. Okay, so with this, you're gonna put your mirror below you and look down. That's the purpose. But with your eyes, obviously not like this, but here. So you want to see your nostrils. You want to look like that. That way your eyelashes, your natural eyelashes, are not in the way. So here, I will do this eye like this, and I'll do my other eye up close. So you're going to look down in the mirror, maybe like up a little bit. You're going to put your eyelashes, you're going to put it on your actual lash line, place it, and I like to slide them up against my lashes, which I'll show you a little demonstration in a minute. You want to put your back end on, fan the shit out of it, da, 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 Then palm, switch, rotate, look back down. We're gonna push that other side in. Make sure you get your corner. Whoops. You zoom this shit in. Oh, hey everyone. Okay, so we've got it on. Now we gotta get that corner. So now it's time to take some tweezers. I'm looking down, I'm grabbing the end of my lash, and I'm gonna press it in. Cool. And you can also just touch the top of your lash and press it in. Now this takes practice. You gotta practice at this because I've been putting these on for a long time, so I know how to do it pretty damn quick. You gotta practice.
Don't get frustrated with yourself, just keep practicing.
Okay, so we've got our eyelash on. So one thing that I don't do that other people do is they put on mascara before. I feel like that interferes when I put on the lash because I used to have long lashes before I did my eyelash extensions, and now I have like these little eyelashes and they stick straight out now. Weirdest goddamn thing. But when I put mascara on them, it kind of just interferes with my fake eyelash. So I do it afterwards, but you definitely want to put it on because as you can see, hey nostril, you can see kind of like my white eyelashes underneath. And that's because they come into contact with the foundation or whatever. So this stuff I like just to put underneath because the other stuff clumps a little bit too much. So, and this one has a little applicator. It's also like a Zella. I don't know how much it is, but I think it's like a couple dollars at Target or whatever. So I'm just gonna put some mascara on these eyes. And just stay close to your lash line. Cool. So that is how I put on eyelashes that way. Now, I'm gonna show you a little bit more up close on the other eye. So the same thing is gonna apply. This eye is twitching like a mofo now. I don't know if it's stress. I don't know if I need to eat some goddamn potassium. But if it twitches, just know I'm not sick. I'm just crazy, okay? All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. So step one, pull your eyelashes out. Not pull your eyelashes, pull your fake eyelash out of the box. Step two, size these mofos. Okay, so we're gonna cut 2 notches off from the eyelash. Duo. Bing, bing, bing. Cool. It's the duo with the brush. Fantastic. We're just gonna roll on the top of it. Cool. Now we wanna shape it. We wanna give it a little bit. Awesome. So here, the angle with your mirror needs to be basically touch your chin, look up with your compact. Chin, parallel with chin, mirror. Does that make sense? Big, big. Look down, put it on, put the back end on. Cool. Big. Awesome. Back end's on. Now, come forward. Here I am. So you see how that's up. So now, take your mirror, looking down, pressing. Cool. Awesome. And just know, people, one eye will always be easier. That's just fact. So, all right, now to finish off the eyelashes, we're gonna go back with our great lash. Hey. And darken your underneath. Don't go crazy, just light. Awesome. Double check. Yeah, so up close. Awesome.
Here is a better explanation of how I use my mirror.
From this angle, it looks like this. From this angle, it's going to look like this. And then you'll check. So don't go straight into the mirror and try to put it on. You want it to kind of slide in to your eyelash. Let me see how I can make more sense of that. I need a demonstration. This is your natural lash. Okay, here we go. This is your fake eyelash. Basically, you want to put it on your lashes, slide up and press until you get to your lash line here. Okay, they shouldn't be directly on your lashes where the glue is. The glue should be up here at your lash line. You want them to lay flat on each other. So when you put it on, that's why you're looking here, pressing and looking down. So you can kind of slide it up, press it. If you need more clarification on that, let me know, text me, I will show you. But yeah, that is how I do my eyelashes. Hopefully that was quick enough. And if you try it at home, tag me in it. I'd love to see. Awesome. Thanks for stopping by, San Diego.